Hey guys, today in this lecture we are going to discuss on state. Okay, so basically in React we have a state, right? So what is the work of a state? So basically if we want to store the local data, so we can use a state. So basically if you want to track our data, local data, like if you want to store some temporary data, you can use that state. Okay, so basically state is very important thing in React application, right? So how to use the react how to use the states. Okay, so basically just simply write a state and inside the state set the properties and the values, right? So simply in this class I'm gonna use a state. Okay, so let's say the name I have like Piyush, right? Let's say. Okay, so this is, suppose that this is my state. Okay, what is problem? Okay, this is, suppose that this is my state, right? This is state. So I want to use this state, this is this property, this value, right? So let's say mm, okay, so let's say this is my h1 tag and hello mr, and then h1 close, hello mr, and I want to use this name like Piyush, hello Mr. Piyush. So this is the JavaScript. So I just want to use this one thing, so I need to use JavaScript. So I need to use this curly bracket, right? So this mean on the class I just want to enter inside the class, so dot, and use this state. So state dot name, right? Simply gonna write npm start. So you can see here hello Mr. Piyush, right? So basically you can see this is the state, I'm using this state here, right? So this is it for this lecture. In the next lecture we will discuss how to set the state of using. Okay,